Are we being watched? This question has been pondered by humans for thousands of years. From ancient civilizations to modern-day astronomers, we have always looked up to the stars and wondered if there was anyone out there watching us. In recent years, with the help of powerful telescopes, we have discovered many exoplanets that could potentially support life. But what we really want to know is whether there are any intelligent civilizations out there beyond Earth, and now a new discovery may have just given us an answer. At first glance, it looks like just another picture of our sun, but when you look closer, you'll notice something strange, a humanoid figure standing in the middle of the solar eruptions. The discovery was made by a device at the observatory that captures images of the sun's atmosphere. It was able to withstand the intense heat of 5,000 degrees Celsius and capture this amazing footage. The video shows a figure that looks to be about 7 feet tall with 2 arms and a head. Some people believe that this could be the sun god, while others think it's an alien spaceship or even an extraterrestrial being. What do you think? What is the meaning of this? Is this just a random event, or does it signify something more profound? There are several possible interpretations of this image. Some believe that it is a religious symbol, while others think it is proof of extraterrestrial life. However, before we jump to any conclusions, we must consider all of the facts. It is important to note that this image was not captured by a human observer, it was taken by a device at an observatory. This means that there was no one there to intentionally frame the shot or stage the scene in any way. The image is exactly what the device saw. Another interesting fact is that this is not the only time such an image has been captured. In fact, there have been many similar sightings of strange figures near the sun. Could these be random coincidences, or is there something more to it? One possibility is that these figures are actually stars. After all, the sun is a star and stars come in all shapes and sizes. It is possible that some of them simply look like humanoid figures when viewed from Earth. However, this theory doesn't explain why the figures seem to be standing in the middle of the solar eruptions. Another possibility is that these figures are actually spacecraft of some kind. If there are other civilizations out there that are more advanced than ours, they could have developed technology that allows them to travel to other planets and even other star systems. It is possible that some of these civilizations have chosen to observe us from afar, perhaps to study our culture or to see if we are worthy of their attention. Of course, this theory also doesn't explain why the figures seem to be standing in the middle of the solar eruptions. But it is possible that there is a perfectly rational explanation for this as well. For example, maybe they are conducting experiments or making repairs to their spacecraft. Some people take this image as a sign of extraterrestrial life. This is because it is difficult to imagine how any human observer could have possibly captured this image without being incinerated in the process. Additionally, there is no evidence that any stars or spacecraft were present in the image. This leads some people to believe that the only possible explanation is that there are intelligent beings living on the sun. There are many theories about who or what these beings could be, but there is no concrete evidence to support any of them. What makes this image so intriguing is that it challenges our current understanding of the universe. If these figures are real, then it means that there is intelligent life out there that we are completely unaware of. This would revolutionize our understanding of our place in the cosmos and would force us to re-examine everything we thought we knew about the universe. Of course, it is also possible that this image is nothing more than a hoax. There are many people who would love to make a quick buck by faking an image like this and selling it to a tabloid newspaper. It is important to remember that not everything we see on the internet is true. So what is the truth? Unfortunately, we may never know for sure. But one thing is certain. This image will continue to generate debate and speculation for years to come. Whether these figures are real or fake, they have captured our imaginations and made us wonder, what else is out there in the vastness of space? As we continue to explore the universe, we may eventually discover that we are not alone. And when that happens, this image will be one of the first clues that led us to that discovery. This is not the only mysterious image captured by telescopes in recent times. Let's take a look at some of the most intriguing ones that have left scientists baffled. What do you think about this humanoid object? Is it just a coincidence or something more profound? Share your thoughts below. This image was captured by the James Webb Space Telescope and shows something that scientists cannot explain. At first glance, it looks like a bright blue object floating in space, but it is not clear what it is. Scientists have not been able to identify this object, which has left many people confused. Some say that it could be a planet or a star, but there are currently no known celestial bodies that match this image. This has led some to believe that this object could be something more mysterious, perhaps even an alien spacecraft. This image was captured by NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and shows a huge cloud of gas and dust in the constellation of Orion. The bright red color is due to the presence of nitrogen and oxygen, which have been heated to high temperatures by nearby stars. What makes this image so fascinating is that it shows the birthplace of new stars. The gas and dust are collapsing under their own gravity, forming dense pockets that will eventually become new stars. This image was captured by the Hubble Space Telescope and shows a strange green object floating in space. At first glance, it looks like a rock or a piece of debris, but it is not clear what it is. Scientists have not been able to identify this object, which has left many people confused. Some say that it could be a comet or an asteroid, but there are currently no known asteroids or comets that match this image. This has led some to believe that this object could be something more mysterious, perhaps an alien spacecraft. These are just a few of the many mysterious images that have been captured by telescopes over the years. While scientists may never be able to explain some of these images, they continue to captivate our imaginations and remind us of the vast mysteries of the universe, whether these objects are real or fake. They have captured our imaginations and made us wonder, what else is out there in the vastness of space? As we continue to explore the universe, we may eventually discover that we are not alone. And when that happens, this image will be one of the first clues that led us to that discovery. With the advent of powerful telescopes and imaging devices, we are now able to capture images of the cosmos in greater detail than ever before. These images have revealed to us the beauty and wonder of the universe, but they have also captured our attention in a more sinister way. For instance, this image captured by the James Webb Space Telescope shows a strange blue object floating in the depths of space. It is not clear what this object is, but its unnatural appearance has left many wondering if it could be a sign of extraterrestrial activity. Some believe that this could be a planet or a star, but the fact that scientists have been unable to identify it has only fueled speculation. Could this be a secret alien base or a spaceship from another world? This image captured by NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory shows a large cloud of gas and dust in the constellation of Orion. While scientists can explain the image as a result of hot gas and dust, others believe that it could be something more ominous. Could this be a portal to another dimension or a gateway to another world? This image captured by the Hubble Space Telescope shows a strange green object floating in space. Again, the object's unnatural color has led to speculation that it could be a sign of extraterrestrial life. Could this be a comet or an asteroid? Or could it be something more sinister, such as a spaceship from another world? While these images may seem alarming to some, it is important to remember that science has yet to confirm their origins. They are nothing more than anomalies that have captured our attention and sparked our curiosity about the unknown. It is natural for humans to be intrigued by the mysteries of the universe and to try to make sense of the images that we see. However, it is also important to rely on evidence and reason when trying to understand the world around us. These images may seem strange and mysterious, but they are nothing more than optical illusions caused by the limitations of our imaging devices and the complexities of the universe. As technology advances, we will be able to capture even more detailed images of space and will continue to be amazed by the beauty and wonder of the cosmos. But it is important to remain grounded in reality and not let our imaginations run wild. The universe is full of mysteries that we may never fully understand, but that should not stop us from exploring it and learning more about our place in it. With continued scientific development, we will continue to uncover the secrets of the cosmos and will one day discover the truth behind these strange and mysterious images. Do you believe in aliens? Are we truly alone in this vast universe? Or are there intelligent civilizations out there waiting to be discovered? Share your thoughts below.